channel. We're going to be making slime today. Before that, hit the subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, and click share. Now let's get on to the video. And today we're going to be starting out with some blue. I just started doing it for me to just get it out of the way for first. And now, yeah. Let's keep on stirring. I love blue and it looks so good. Let's maybe add some shaving cream. Oh, that came out pretty slick. Like a bird. Yeah, I was just putting something away real quick. Oh, this is good. It's coming together so good. Maybe a little bit more of this. That's gonna do it. Now, let's do it all so good. It's going together so good. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Does it just turn light blue or does it turn dark blue? And I'm going to set that off right now. I'm going to be using this as activator when it's mostly like done turning like blue. And Mom, it's actually turning pretty blue, not teal. I was just talking to my mom, about how the color, she thought it was just going to turn teal. It's turning blue. I thought it was going to turn teal at first too. Now let's put some activator. Ooh, this is hard to open. Mom, can you come help me open the activator? Okay, I got it. Never mind. Wait. I think I'm gonna move the camera real quick. Right here. Put some to the side. I was just getting some mixers. No, some pourers. That could pour the right amount. Pour the right amount. And that's pretty good. Maybe try to get one of these kind of spoons. It's like 1 TBS. Okay. Okay, let's camera back where it was. There. Now you guys can see what I'm doing. I just put it in that you can see, and it's coming good. It's getting harder to mix as the second. Yeah. That was just like something I didn't know about. Ooh, that's cool. Let's put a little bit. There was a little bit in there anyways. Okay. I think that's the right amount we need. Oh, that's coming together so good. Mom, can you come over here and see if I'm doing it right? I want to make sure if I'm doing it right. Because it's not getting harder to mix that much. Only a little bit. Mom? Can you please come over here? Okay. So that means it's maybe not working or not. Something. Mom. Sorry guys, I'm going to pause the video for a second and we'll catch up in a minute. Okay. Guys, I just paused the video for me to mix the slime more, and it's not really coming together that much, but let's try to see if it works soon. Guys, I'm getting so tired today, so I'm getting pretty tired of just mixing and mixing. So guys, bye. Hit the thumbs up. hit subscribe, hit the bell, and hit share. Bye.